In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Xcover 2 with pattern lock protection set up, and I'm gonna show you how to perform factory reset on this device. First, let's press the power button and hold it. Then let's tap on power off option. Now let's tap OK to turn the device off and wait. Once our device is turned off, we need to press the power button, volume up button and the home button together and hold them. Once the phone vibrates and the Samsung Galaxy logo shows up for a second time, we can release the buttons. Now we are in the recovery mode. To move through this menu, we need to use volume up and volume down buttons. Like that. Let's select the wipe data / factory reset and let's press the power button to confirm. Now, let's scroll all the way down to yes. And press the power button again to confirm. And let's wait for the process to be done. Once the process is done, let's press the power button to reboot the system. And let's wait. And at this point, the factory reset is complete. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe and like the video.